Port control, this is Bisil, MS Voyager, over.
Voyager, this is port control. Go ahead, over.
Port control, requesting permission to enter the harbor and proceed to Pier 12 for docking. We are carrying cargo and have a crew of 25 on board, over.
Voyager, port control here. Permission granted to enter harbor and proceed to Pier 12. Please confirm your current position and estimated time of your arrival. Over.
Current position latitude 40.1234, longitude negative 70.5607. Eta at Pier 12 approximately 1 hour, over.
Voyager, port control copies your position and ETA wind condition are calm and traffic in the harbor is light. Please maintain channel 16 for further instruction. Over.
Control, understood. Maintaining channel 16 will update with any changes, over.
MS Voyager, port control out.